Okay. I'm James' mom, Tom. My time, I'll keep on meet up, Mom Tom. Yes, I'm really playing hockey in this whole video, no lie. If I'm lying, you sue my ass. If I'm lying, Marvel's legs turn black and fall. If I'm lying for you, if I'm lying, I'll die now. And for you, if I'm lying, I'll give you all my money. Today is Monday, March 30th, March 30, 2026, 3:16 p.m. Yes, I'm really playing hockey in this whole video, no lie. If I'm lying, sue my ass. If I'm lying, Marvel's legs turn black and fall. If I'm lying, if I'm lying, I'll collapse now, but I'm not lying. And here's for you some cool martial arts. The Chinese dynasties. We're not bluffing. Same thing in hockey. Were you in the too many one-night stands? Chinese ice hockey finally making a difference. 2 captains of the world. China, Canada. 2 red hearts. 2 red beautiful flags. China, Canada. 2 C's. Thou shalt not tuck your chin to your chest. 2 C's. Chinese back cutbacks. Yes, we finally made a difference. Natives, spread eagles, Mohawks. Whites, nice axles. Figure skating, not bad. Nice slap shots too. Yes, Chinese finally made a difference. We're not bluffing when it comes to martial arts either. The Chinese, beautiful China of Kung Fu, does have their temple of martial arts, Kung Fu, golden bronze beans. In Canada, I, James Lamont, discovered the gigantic beans. Column sky high. Native beautiful statues, tribes. Use the Chinese dynasties side of the peripherals of your cool wide eyes. No lie, folks. Stay healthy. Multivitamin. No lie. I'm ready playing hockey in this whole video. Pardon me, I'm spitting. Too excited. Lukewarm water. Multivitamin. Balancing for hairs. And once again, Do your spins for deflections. You never know when you'll do it in the game, folks. Stay healthy. Have fun. I'm on 5 3/4 on my feet. No defeat. That's how good I am. Amazing ice hockey player. Amazing hockey player. No lie. Be good now.